Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another RV parts showcase. Today I want to talk to you about electrical adapters. Electrical adapters are very, very important, especially if you're on the road in your RV, which a lot of us do. You never know exactly what you're going to run into at a campground, what type of RV outlet you're going to have to plug into, but also they're very effective at home. For example, here's one of the most inexpensive ones to use. You would plug this into your outlet at home, then you can plug your RV cord into it, and that enables you to run your refrigerator, for example. What do I mean by that? Well, before my wife and I hit the road, what we like to do is cool our refrigerator the night before. Then when we leave that morning, or that afternoon, we put all the cold stuff from our refrigerator into a cold refrigerator, and you hit the road. It's going to keep things a lot cooler for you. Also, it's very hard on an RV refrigerator to cool itself when you pack it full of hot stuff. So again, the best thing to do is get your cold stuff cold already. Get your RV plugged in the night before. Here's another example of one that'll do exactly what I just said. This is a little bit larger, okay? Same thing, you plug it in to your outlet at home, then you plug your RV in here. And again, you can run your refrigerator the night before. Your refrigerator will be cold. When you're ready to go, you pack it full of cold stuff. Your cold stuff's going to stay cold. Now, there also are electrical adapters for other uses though, right? This one, you've got the typical RV outlet at a park, but that isn't what your cord's a 50 amp. This is a 30 amp. That enables you to adapt and be able to plug into a 30 amp service and still be able to run your RV. There's a lot of other applications. This one goes exactly the other way. So if you have a 50 amp service, you only need to use a 30 amp. And there's many other applications. What we suggest though is you travel with all of them. Then no matter what park you're staying in, if they have 30 amp service, 50 amp service, 110 service, normal house plug, we've seen that before, you're able to use your RV and you're able to camp. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, follow us on Facebook, and if you have any questions or would like to purchase any of these, check us out on our website, rvwholesalers.com, or give us a call at 877-877-4494.